about this particular one, how to link HTML page. So now if you visit any website, you will see the navigation bar where you can see about, contact, home, and so. All right, so clicking the home and it will take you to home, clicking the about and the about will take you to about, clicking the contact and it will take you to contact. That is exactly what we want to do right now. All right, so and for me to start that, we are going to come to this angle here by my left hand side. We are going to create another file. So we are going to call this file, create another file, then name this file. Let's say we are creating about file, so we say about dot html. All right, so we have our about file now. So I'm going to save this particular project. So I'm going to save it as about. All right, so I'm going to save as about. Okay, so this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to bring the HTML tag here. All right, so inside this HTML tag, the body, so I'm going to have h1. So inside this h1, I'm going to have about us. All right, so I will have about us. So, and I'm going to bring a p tag with a lorem, a dummy text, which is lorem. So I'm going to bring p, which is the paragraph. So within the p, I'm going to type lorm. So I'll just make it like 20 words, then enter. All right, so I'm going to wrap this word. I'll wrap it so we can see everything. So here now I will bring the h1 again. So I'll bring the h1. So inside here I'm going to have vision. All right, so here now I'm going to have the p again. So I'll just copy this since I'm still going to generate that dummy text. So I'll copy it and paste it here. All right, so I'll still copy this and paste it this side. So I'll just change this one. Instead of vision, I'll change it to mission. All right, so I want to wrap everything here with a div. So I will just if you remember in one of our video I talk about div, so I believe if you are paying attention, you are watching all the video, you should know what exactly I'm talking about div. So I'll bring the div here, which is the closing tag of the div. So here now I'm going to work on the div a little bit. So I will just say style. So I will just say, okay, so this is what I'm going to say. I will just say test align center. All right, so let me visit here and see if it's going to work. All right, so we have the test align center now. If you can see, we have the test align center. So let's go now. So here now, all right, to this particular page now, I'm going to create a button here. So I'm going to create an anchor tag with the link. So I will just say a. All right, so inside here I'm going to say about the HTML. So here now I'm going to say about us. All right, so I'm going to say about us. All right, So here, let me see, style, let me see if it's going to work. Align item, test align center, test align center. All right, so let's see what we have here. So if I go to this particular place, all right, so I think I need to wrap the whole thing with div. So I'm going to create a div here as well. So I'm going to like a div. All right, so I'm going to wrap this with a div. So I'll take the div to the end part, so everything will be inside a div. So this div now, I'm going to like give it a style. So here now we just say, let's give it a width. So let's give it a width of 1000. All right, so here I'm going to give it text align, text align center, margin. So here I'm going to give it margin auto, so you don't have to worry about this one. When you get to CSS, you understand more. So let's see again and see what we have. So I think we have the thing at the middle. So this particular place now, I think I need to change that text. So let me make that text a little bit bigger. So I'm going to put this text within. All right, so okay, let me just say here, I will say font size maybe 30 or 40. Let me just say 50. All right, so it didn't take effect. All right, okay. Font size 50 pixel. Okay, let's see again. All right, so we have it like this. So this is what I want to show you. You can see now, right? So this particular thing is a link. So if I click on it, it will take me here. All right, if I click on it, it will take me here. So if I go back, it should take me back to this particular time. Let's say we have it as a navigation bar. Once you click on it, as you click on it, it will take you to the about page, and this is the about page that we have. So this is how to link HTML page, how to link it from one page to another, maybe the about page, contact page, and so you just have to keep saving them. So if I have like contact now, I just have to create another file and name the file contact.html. so if I want to create for maybe for like service, I will still say service.html. I will save them accordingly. All right, so I will save them, I will link them to my navigation bar, then I will create their own page for them, then write the code in the page. All right, so thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe.